All right, let's look at the homework 3.3, 3.4, number 3. All right, so you can afford a monthly deposit of $270 into an account that pays 4.8% compounded monthly. So we are talking about annuity. And how long will it be until you have $7,200 to buy a boat, right? So you can see that the $7,200 is after the payment. So we are talking about the future value, right? So we're going to use the future value formula, right? So I'm gonna so future value, the formula is future value is equal to payment times quantity 1 plus I raise it to the n minus 1 over I, right? So that was the formula. So let's put all the numbers in. So first, right, so we have a monthly deposit, so that will be the payment. So you have 270 goes here, right? Then into an account that pays 4.8%. So I is going to be, right, 4.8 is 0.048 and divide by 12, right? So it looks like this is going to be 0.004 will be the I, right? So it's going to be, I'm going to write the 1 plus 0.004, so it's 1.004 to the n minus 1 over 0.004. Right, so that's the right hand side, and we don't know how many payments. That's the question we're trying to answer. And then we have a future value. So we use this guy and compounded monthly, and here is the future value. So that's $7,200. Right, so we have that. Then what we want to do is we want to solve for n, right? So we're gonna try to solve by, let's see, first thing we want to do is we want to get rid of 270, right? So we can get rid of 270 by dividing 270. So divide by 270 here. Oh, maybe I'll do this, right? So we have divide by 270. So we're gonna have to divide by 270 here, right? So you can see that we can cancel those out, right? And also we want to get rid of 0.004 on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply by 0.004. So we're going to multiply by 0.004. Right? That way we can cancel that guy and that guy. Alright, so then next one, we're going to get rid of this guy, right, by adding 1 to both sides. So you have add 1, so plus 1, right? And I'm gonna, let's see, so I'm gonna have plus 1 here so that I can get rid of those guys, right? So what we get is, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. So you have, right, I'm gonna put 1 in front. So you have a 1 here plus, right, you have a 0.004 times 7,200 over 270, right? And this is equal to 1.004 to the nth power, right? I guess at least I can knock off one of the zeros. So divide top by 10. Divide the bottom guy by 10 so that we don't have to look at the big numbers. All right. Then what we want to do is we want to solve for n. So we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So we put the natural log here, and we also put the natural log there. All right. Then you can see that we can put this n right in front of the natural log. Right. So once you clean it up, you're going to get natural log of 1 plus 0.004 times 720 over 27, right, is equal to n times natural log of 1.004. All right, then we can just divide both sides through by natural log of 1.004, right? So we're going to have to do the same thing here. Natural log of 1.004. Right? Then you can cancel this guy and you can cancel that guy. Then you have just n by itself. Right? So we need to compute that value there. So let's use GeoGebra to compute that. Alright, so we need to find natural log of 1 plus 0.004 times 720 divided by 27, right? And then we want to divide this guy by natural log of 1.004, right? So let's type that in. Alright, so we got the 25.39. So this is about 25 point, let's say 4. Alright, then let's see. So let's try to type in the answer. Alright, so number the type of month, next higher month, right? So this was 25.4. So answer should be 26. So let's try that. 26. Right, because you have to go to the next higher month. So check answer. All right, we got that. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.